In this video, I'm going to explain how credits are used in our system, and this is one of the most common questions that I'm asked. Now, when you sign up for SalesPype, we offer a variety of plans, and they all include a certain number of credits depending on the package you choose. And I just want to break down for you how credits are actually used in our system. When you send out an email, it does not use any credits. You can send as many emails as you want free of charge. When you send and receive a text message, that uses a half a credit. And when you send a ringless voicemail, that uses 1 credit. Now, if you were in the situation where you ran out of your monthly allotment of credits before the month was up, so for instance, you're halfway through the month and you've run out of credits, well, the system isn't going to shut down on you. You actually have the ability to purchase additional pay-as-you-go credits, or you could think of them as rollover credits. And these are credits, really just extra credits. They're going to sit on your account until you've used them all up. And we offer a variety of pay-as-you-go credits as well. So hopefully this helps clear things up. If you have any questions or you need any additional assistance, feel free to reach out to our team. Take care.